Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fabricate Shillong, Ringkat bat ka Victorium, ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met, ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit, Hannong Thumai Old Beat House Shillong.
Hadu henyo puwengut kisamla shenrang bat kentai kila syak penkop buram bat yok pediang ya kesernot na ke Unique Ex Serviceman Security Agency ke badan ya ke office terekam hanong bat Shillong hadin ba kila dap yok ya ke jingsha hikai pentebit ha Bosco Penar Training Center Joai ha ke kam kum ki unarmed security guard training ke ba Arbanai. Ha ke jing penkop buram ya kini kisamla la sekilang da uba Nehemiah Tengkan ubalong kum kongsan Nangta Superintendent of Police ka West Gentia Hills District u Bikram di Marak u balalong kumusumbot kongsan u Reverend Father J. Tenriang u badai u Provincial Economer jong ka jingya selok salesian u balong kumunong syakot ngobha bakerpang kuntubru ya kirang ba dong ki kimi ki kipa ki bahaying hasem bat ki parlok jong ki samla balasya pentebit hagani ka center.
I appointed as a security guard with Unique Ex Serviceman Security Agency do solemnly swear that I will perform my employer and my agency. I will conduct myself of my role protecting life and property of the organization to which I am assigned. I will faithfully discharge the duties of the organization upon which I am about to enter.
You have given the best. The last but not the least, my good wishes to all the recruits in the coming days. And I'm sure some of you might be coming to Meghalaya Police also. Because in the days to come, there are many recruitment which are coming. And since this is a stepping stone for you, it will be easy for you when you go for the recruitment in our department also. So take it as a challenge. I assure you, once you have stepped into this first step, the next step will be very easy. But only thing is that you should maintain yourself.
Ringkar bat ki staff, ki students, ka pediang buram ya pi baro, sya kene kejaka. But hakar teng jong ke Unique Ex Serviceman Security Agency, ngai kublay, bat pediang buram ya pi sya kene program. Kadai ke jing job, namar ba, jing Tracy Tom, jong pi ki staff, ringkar bat kini ki trainees. Bat ngilala ban pendon kam ya kene kasngi kasngi jong ka job
kene ka churwai kalong kum kadak kasin bagi ai kublai
in pendon kam hok yaki abding shanda shasisi kitchen snake kitchen hikai hangi baro bilai hapo kine ki abrai nang bangin lam janai.
जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है।
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे।
मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
स्मार्ट था, उसने राशन निकाला।